This is a life jacket with the auto propulsion. If we have any rain condition or any fisherman, any in the middle sea, so that time it will be used for this one. This is a solar powered. Here we fix the solar panel, then battery, then this is the propeller arrangement. Here you have to fix the two propeller. This is the battery. So this is the life jacket. First you go to fix this one to the man. First you go to open this one and fit it to the shoulder. Like that. Like that you go to here you go to fix that one. Like that. So like that you go to fix that. By here you go to put the belt and you go to tight the shoulder. So now here you go to tight the belt. Then here you go to fix the solar panel battery. Then here front you go to fit the impeller. First you go to insert these holes. Insert these holes. Then you go to put the here. Similarly, this side also you go to insert that one. Then you go to put that one. So next you go to tight the belt here. Tight the belt. Bottom and top. To belt. To tight the belt. Then zip also there. You have to put the zip feature. No. So next is propeller. You have to fix the propeller and the solar panel and the battery. Now solar panel fixed. Battery fixed. Leaf also fixed. Here also. Here we are having here two leaves. We have two leaves fixed. Here switch come. Two hand will be two switch will come. The two leaves will be jointed here. Two leaves. Handle having the switch. Switch having the handle. And then this is the so this is the switch on off switch. Forward reverse. Both side. The solar panel. Battery fixed. Now you go to connect the battery wire here. Put it. So two fan in forward means forward direction. And then move. So this is the forward direction. Reverse means it will rotate on opposite direction. Then left means one forward, one reverse. What? Battery. Battery. So this is the So this is reverse. One forward, one reverse. This is the forward direction. This is the reverse direction. Left mathematical. Left means it will be under the marking. Then this is the right. Similarly right. So these are the lifeguard boat for that fisherman, and whenever the flood condition, that time the life jacket, you go to put on the life jacket, it automatically it will be floating on that water. So this is the concept of the lifeguard boats. Lifeguard floating water jacket. So this is the concept. Solar powered, solar panel, battery, 12 volt solar panel. These are the DC motor, 12 volt 90 watts, 3000 RPM DC motor. This is impeller, aluminum impeller, two impeller will be there. Battery 12 volt 7 ampere, lead acid battery. This is the solar panel specifications. 12 volt 10 watts solar panel specification. So this is the concept of life jacket.